Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Sheen, your host. This is Money Matters. In this channel, we talk about money, finance, how to grow your money, how to invest your money, how to make money work hard for you. I got a video today about Golden Nugget online gaming. I teased it last night. I'm going to go over the full presentation with you. So I did a lot of research on this. I did the research the full day. So if you like what I'm doing, if you appreciate my videos, consider subscribing, give a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Let's get started. All right, so Golden Nugget, if you've been to Las Vegas, if you've been to Atlantic City, you'll know the name Golden Nugget is a pretty popular brand. If you live in the States and you've been to these places, you'll know Golden Nugget. You know, they're a entertainment complex, entertainment company. They have casinos, restaurants, entertainment, and they're just massive. Here is their online casino platform. This is the separate company that's going to go public. So this is separate from just Golden Nugget. So only Golden Nugget Online is the company that's going to go public. And so here is their website. I went there, checked it out. They have literally hundreds of games, slot machines, bingo, all kinds of card games, everything that you could imagine in a casino, they have it online. But the biggest thing that just blew my mind, blew me away is the live dealers. So in the internet age, doing everything online, a lot of people doing video chat, video conferencing online. Why not? Why not bring online gaming where you can interact with the dealer, a human, a live person, and they deal you blackjack, they deal you poker, and you can basically game online in the comfort of your own home and place real bets, real money bets. So I'm going to play you a video of the online gaming platform. You'll get to see exactly how it works, and I don't know, I was absolutely blown away about how this gaming platform works. And when I saw that, I'm sold. I think this is going to be massive. Doing all this online, it's just going to open up so many revenues for states, for local governments. United States is tremendously in debt. A lot of states are in debt. There's got to be a way to bring more revenue into the states, and I think there's two ways. One of them is the MJ space. The other one is online gaming. You're going to be able to tax it, get a lot of revenue for the states and local government, and obviously for the country in general. So enough about that. That's why I think online gaming is going to be massive. It's already legal as far as casino gaming in New Jersey. I think like sports betting is legal in I think 11 states, and like just some type of gaming in general is legal in I think it's maybe like 5 states. So there's definitely massive growth opportunity. So I want to give you some history. This is going back like 10 years, more than 10 years, when I was doing online gaming, and it was legal, or semi-legal 10 years ago. Poker was huge. I don't know if any of you guys watching this remember back in 2010, 2011, 2012, poker online was massive. You could place real bets, play with real money, and play poker online. So if you guys ever heard of Poker Stars, that was one of the biggest ones. Full Tilt Poker, that was one of the biggest ones. They had a lot of celebrities, professional poker players pushing Full Tilt Poker, and you can actually play online with the celebrities, with these professionals. You will be able to see them at the table. You'll be able to track them, which table, which game they're in, and you can sit down at the same table and play with these professional players. So here's an article dating back 10 years, more than 10 years. This article. So Poker Stars, online gambling's quiet giant. So like I said, they were massive. Poker Stars quickly became the biggest firm in the world's most important market, and now has estimated annual revenue of 1.4 billion and some 500 million profits. Skipping down to the next paragraph, Poker Stars has used this cash generated from U.S. markets to expand globally, where online poker is a $4.8 billion annual business, and this was more than 10 years ago now. So exactly what happened with the whole online poker gaming. If you guys don't know, little history, basically the US government got involved. All these companies were basically operating off US soil, but they were taking US customers. And so long story short, the government shut them down. So here's the article on April 15, 2011, the Department of Justice seized the .com internet addresses of 3 online gambling sites. PokerStars, Full Tilt, Absolute Poker, and UltimateBet.com. So PokerStars and Full Tilt came to an agreement with the government, and in the agreement, it allowed PokerStars and Full Tilt to basically combine and become one company. Then under the settlement terms, PokerStars and Full Tilt admitted no wrongdoing for their past U.S. activities. The U.S. government acknowledged both companies can apply. Now listen to this. This is super important. The U.S. government acknowledged both companies can apply for licenses to operate online gaming in the U.S. when a legal framework for such licenses is offered. Fast forward 10 years, you have a lot of online gaming happening in New Jersey. You know, they're the only state that has casino online gaming, and now you have companies like DraftKings doing a lot of sports betting online. You have a few states that's allowing some type of online gambling, but not specifically casino. So a lot of states are just kind of in this transition. I have a map for you. I'm going to show you in a minute just exactly how many states out there that don't allow gaming. And that is a massive opportunity that I think is going to transition in the next few years. So fast forward 10 years, we have this guy, Tillman Fertitta. He is the owner of the Houston Rockets NBA team. He's the CEO of Laundry's Restaurants, massive company. Owns, like, I don't know if it's maybe up to 100 different restaurant chains, restaurant brands. He owns Golden Nugget Casinos. He's the CEO of Golden Nugget Casinos. So if you don't know this guy, like I said, he's the CEO of Laundry's, and they're a massive chain. Just look at this list. This is not even the whole list, and you'll recognize a number of these brands: Saltgrass Steakhouse, Joe's Crab Shack, Morton's Steakhouse, Rusty Pelican, Rainforest Cafe. So this is all part of his portfolio. Now this is that's under his Laundry's Restaurants chain. So here's that video of the online gaming. So this is from Golden Nugget Casino Online, and this is dealing blackjack. Just watch how you can play blackjack in the comfort of your own home. If you watch this video and you're not just totally sold and just see the potential of this thing, I don't know what to tell you. When I saw this, I'm like, I'm sold. Let's get in this as soon as possible. So here, take a look.
Please place your bets. Good luck. Hey, look. Doubled on a 12, I got a 20, and I had 17. No, that's good. Lucky. Let me try something like that. It won't work for me. No more bets. Yeah, alright. Ooh, perfect pair. Alright, 17. 18. Need a 9. Come on. One too many. 12. Could use a 9 here too. One too many again. 18. 20.
So, I mean, I think that's just absolutely amazing. Placing real bets, interacting with the dealer online in the comfort of your own home. I think this is going to be a massive opportunity. All right, guys, so that part of the video was just my introduction about Golden Nugget Online, who the CEO is, Tillman Fertitta, and basically the history of online gaming and the potential it could have. So I'm now going to talk more about the numbers, about the stock, about their revenue. So first, I want to share with you my research last week when I was looking into SHLL Tortoise acquisition, which is going to be Hyliion. I was looking into them last week. This was last week on Robinhood. These are the list of the most popular blank check companies, and you see LCA, the company we're talking about, LCA is not on here. Tortoise last week was in the number 2 position. 25,000 people were holding on to them. But now fast forward 1 week to today, you'll see, well, Tortoise went to number 1 position. Not a surprise there. Tortoise is really hot right now. But Landcadia Holdings right there, LCA, is now the number 3 position with 17,800 people having a position in Landcadia Holdings. So that is just the tip of the iceberg. That this thing is going to explode sometime soon, I suspect. So just based on these numbers, the stock I'm expecting to pop. I don't know, maybe in the next week or in the next month, but I don't know. A lot of people are really interested in the EV space with Tesla, breaking all-time records, with Workhorse, with Plug Power. Like, they're getting all the attention. Nikola, they're getting all the attention. All the the investors are flocking to that those type of stocks. So that's why I think LCA is not getting the attention that I think it deserves. But it's only a matter of time. Plug Power, Workhorse, they're gonna go to wherever they're gonna go to, and people are gonna move to the next thing. And I think LCA is going to be massive. So here's the numbers. This is just for October of 2019. This is for New Jersey. Obviously, New Jersey is the only state that has online casinos. So you'll see number one right up there. The biggest player of them all is Golden Nugget, 16.63 million, and that's just in October. The next one is a far cry behind at 9.78 million, and then Borgata? They're, I guess, another online casino. They're at 7.37 million. So Golden Nugget, definitely the biggest player in this space. So Golden Nugget Online Casino continues to shatter records, posting over 16.5 million in revenue for the month. They have yet again set another new record-breaking month for themselves. Golden Nugget continues to show they are the New Jersey online casino to beat in the revenue game. 43.58 million in gross online gaming, 38.7 gross in online sports betting, and 1.6 million in online poker. So this is from their presentation. So massive opportunity, a $20 billion+ market opportunity. The stay-at-home climate with the whole illness-19 situation, a lot of people are adopting online solutions. Basically everything online, stay-at-home, is up massively, and there's no reason why online gaming would not be up massively. Pandemic resistant and scalable business, definitely scalable, because most of the United States still does not allow online gaming. So here is the numbers. Pandemic-proof business model. It's just showing the numbers right here from January through April of 2020, exactly the time frame that we are in, the time frame where the whole country has been locked down. January gross gaming revenue was 5.8 million, moving to April up to 9.0 million. That's a 55% increase in just from January to April. How about New Jersey? In just New Jersey in general, gaming market went up 40%, from 53 million to 75 million. So online gaming from Golden Nugget was launched in 2013. It just took them 3 years to become profitable. They turned a profit in 2016. So in 2016, their net revenue, bottom line there, is 18.2 million. Fast forward to 2019, went up to 55.4 million. Massive increase on their bottom line there. So again, here's the bottom line, net revenue from January through April of 2019, they had 16.9 million. They went up 50% year over year. January through April of 2020, they went up to 25.5 million. If you look at 2018 versus 2019, they did 42.9 million in 2019 net revenue, and went up to 55.4 million in 2019, 29% year over year growth. So like I said, online gaming is going to be massive. It's only currently live in 3 states, and the estimated 2020 gross gaming revenue in just those 3 states is 1.3 billion. Comparing that to online sports betting, that's available in 10 states. In 10 states, the 2020 estimated gross gaming revenue is only 600 million. So definitely online gaming, it brings in a lot more cash, a lot more revenue. Here's the map I was showing you, I was talking about. So here's basically the map where in green is where online gaming is either legal or somewhat legal. So you see that's basically the whole rest of the country is an opportunity. So pretty much everywhere else is opportunity for online gaming and online sports betting to grow. Here's a projected revenue So in 2019 compared to 2021, their projected revenue. So in 2021, they're expecting to have New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Michigan that they could operate. And that is a 49% compound annual growth. 49%. Amazing. All right, guys, I know this video is getting long, but there's a lot of research that I put into this, a lot of information. So I have just a few more slides. So the first of all, this acquisition is the transaction values Golden Nugget at approximately 745 million. That's 6.1 times Golden Nugget estimated 2021 revenue of 122 million. So again, look at that number. That's 6.1 their sales to market cap. So the thing is, look at what Landcadia Holdings right now market cap is. Market cap currently at this current price of $14.45. The market cap is 650 million. So essentially, if you get into Landcadia at this price, you're only paying 5.3 times price to sales. So you're already making money if you just get in at this lower price, because when this acquisition happens, they're estimating, of course, it's an estimation, that the transaction value is going to value Golden Nugget at 745 million. So right now you could get this company at 650 million. So you're getting a little bargain because you're only paying 5.3 times price to sales. So here's the chart. LCA today closed at 1445. Again, so it just started happening last week. It popped from the $10 where all SPAC stocks start off, and it went up to just over $16 and came back down to $14. So personally, here is my portfolio, being completely transparent with you guys. So this is my holdings. I have 187 shares of this so far at a cost basis of $15.58. So I am currently down 7.27% on this position. But if I keep on seeing this go down, I will be adding more to this position because, like I said, my full presentation here, I see this being a massive opportunity. Obviously, the only risk is if the regulation doesn't go through. It's not allowed in the United States, but I really don't see that happening. The trend is going online. A lot of states already allow online sports betting, and so why not have online gaming? So 10 years ago, there was no platform for this. There was no regulation for this, but now things have changed. So like I said, a lot of states, a lot of local governments, the country in general needs a lot of revenue. Bailouts after bailouts. The country is essentially bankrupt. So there needs to be a way to make up all this revenue, and online gaming is just one of the answers. The other answer is definitely the NJ space. So that's my opinion, guys. If you like what I'm doing, consider subscribing. If you found any value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.